having to walk backwards because the lighting is better from this side. But it is, yeah, like if I were to have a home here, this is what I would like. Oh, I don't know if I can. I want it there far from everybody else. So it's like it's not too far, not too close. Garage. Yeah, this is what I would like. Not too. I'm taking advantage of this good lighting. Like, it is amazing looking out here. Like, just look at the view. Hold on, the trees and stuff. Out here is a vibe. Like, I know you'd have to just drive in the town to get stuff, but we stay inside most of the time anyways. So living somewhere like here, so it's not, not bad. But this is a vibe. This is absolutely a vibe. I like it. AJ, did you just say it's beautiful? Do you like it? Go on. Go to the car, AJ, and something nice, please. This is fun, right? But everybody light and blink on the mountain. It's just beer light up there, so.
I know.
Go to the car, please. Go to the car. I'm trying to record something. Okay, guys, I went to pick up the barrel, but the way how the place pack, oh my gosh. First of all, we got early. We got before 12 o'clock. I never left till in the afternoon, right? A good I think it was 3 to 4 hours it did take to get through everything. Stopped at three separate buildings in on that whole complex. Paid three separate time in that complex, three or four, about four separate time in the whole complex before I could have come out. And after the barrel experience, secondly, I sent this barrel since June. Whenever I get it till, as you can see here, like in July. The next time I want to send anything, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a regular barrel. If I have to be the one to pick it up, I don't know if I want to go through that again, especially if I'm alone and go in there. Maybe, but then again, only the person that pick up the barrel can go in there, so I have to go by myself. But me there, I said it's somebody name. Let them go pick it up, or do the door to door where I pay extra for the barrel to go straight to the door instead of me doing the process. And when I look at how much I did pay, because the door sending the barrel was like 110, I think it raised, and then picking it up was like pick it up altogether or 15, I think about 15,000 altogether to pick it up. So door to door, and when I check out the price for door to door, it would be a good amount more than that. That's why I said no, I pay it up myself. But I guess I like the convenience sometimes, especially in Jamaica when you don't want to go out and running up and down. It makes sense to just go ahead and pay for the convenience if you have it. But all in all, the barrel came on time. It come later than I expected, but it come on time because by the time it come is when all their snacks and treats were finishing that we bought for them. So I would say it worked out, and then by the time it come, I figured out ways to get all the other things that I had in there. So it was just like, okay, it's extra. The clip you're looking at here is the bottom of Blue Mountain. That is where you enter. So we're starting from the bottom. That is where you enter, right? So can I tell you how I've been Jamaican for as long as I can know? And this is my first time actually going up to Blue Mountain. Never climbed it before. Never went up there because it just never happened. I know me in a nature era, my nature girl era. So that means we're going to go to Blue Mountain. Here's the thing. I actually wanted to go to Blue Brews Bistro. I saw Blue Brews Bistro online. I saw Holywell, but I never put two and two together and say Holywell is actually Blue Mountain. When I'm come now, I'm say I want to go Holywell, and then they were talking about Blue Mountain. I'm gonna say, oh wait, at Blue Mountain, that's how we can go to that destination. So, because originally when I was thinking of Blue Mountain, I was actually thinking of climbing it. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. When I go back again, I have to go climb it, but that's neither here or there. Knowing that I want to go up there, I was like, okay, we're gonna take this drive. let me tell you something. The drive to go up there is the reason why I say hands down driving in Jamaica is an extreme sport. It's not for the weak, and you have to come built for it. You can't come and decide say I'm gonna drive the not because you drive a foreign wherever else you drive, depending on small island and depending on the foreign. But certain places, if you've never driven in these type of conditions, like just out in the road get narrow and the amount of curves that you have to go around, and knowing that when you go around the corner you have to blow your hand, like things like that, this isn't for you. So, and by me driving up there and seeing all of this, and all I'm thinking is, hold up, I'm the person who is in my nature girl era saying, hey, I want to live in the mountains like that up there, so right now. No, not this, the mountain part, like right up there. So me don't want to live in a mountain, trees, looking down, streams, and all of that. And all I'm thinking, if I do that, I'm gonna have to hibernate. Like I'm legit going to have to be a bear. I'm gonna have to hibernate. I'm gonna have to come down once every 2 months and go back up with like 2, 3 barrel of things and don't come back down at all, because who's going to drive me? You know, the saying is when you live somewhere for a while, you'll figure out how to drive, because that's what happened to me here. I had to learn how to drive. But I just feel like that part of driving, the hill and swerve and something here, minutes, I don't really think that part of driving is inside of me. I think that part of driving is um it's probably dormant or it's non-existent. I don't think that's something that's going to come out of me. So I'd either have to get a ride, have a driver, or make sure I'm up there with somebody who drive like that too. Because obviously can't be there by myself, but whenever I'm there alone, I have to make sure say I'm stacked, because whew, the swerving and the bend. Yo, when I tell you the swerving and the carrying on for go up there, so like basically, I was sitting at the front of the car, just basically my head all did that hurt. I don't know if me like get dizzy or nauseous or what, but that's not for me. And as much as I would absolutely love to go back to Blue Brews Bistro. I think they have one that's closer. I don't want to go to that one. Me, like, they'll have to fly me up there and I get a helicopter and I can fly up there. That would be dope, and then it just come pick me up back. That would be cool. That would be so much easier and so much nicer. And, that would work for me, because I really want to go up there and just seeing the greenery and everything. It just felt so good, and the air did clean and it feel good, and everything about it was just a vibe. Okay, like it was just a vibe. But I won't drive up there alone, and I don't know. When I drive up there alone, somebody else would have to drive me up there. Even with someone else driving me, I was still all over the place. I still did a squint and a carry on. Oh my gosh, we made it halfway, and my legs are shaking, my heart a beat, me a tremble, and I can't function. Oh, this is so cool. So if rainfall, we just have to sleep up here. Yeah, cause occasionally I see a one man hour.
Occasionally, really, I've never seen one man. This is it. We're like, that's it. What the fuck is this? Right, thank you. Made it. Yeah.
Yeah, I brought an extra I thought it was a pants. I brought an extra shirt. But I have my sweater. And I think there's clothes in there. Oh, she has the tights in there. So if need to, I can put on the tights and the shorts over the tights.
Alright. So journey. See, so already 12 o'clock will be right and 2:40.
Yeah.
This I reach 2:40.
Wow. We should have really left 10 o'clock.
Don't it?
Yeah, this should have been like a 10
The
o'clock.
restaurant closed at 5. So have a good it's a drizzle now. What did I get? Please fuck up so.
Is there like a cabin?
Is a what? A cabin? Huh?
Yes.
There is a cabin. You want to stay?
I'm just saying, like, are we supposed to drive back down in the rain? Like,
Boy.
that is a bit hectic.
Hectic, yes. That's when we want to drive back in the rain.
Yes. Tats, don't be laughing around there.
No, me, I read my cake.
Oh. When I edit this video and do the voiceovers, this should be fun. You know what's crazy? I always see people come to the bistro and talk about coming up here, but I've never seen anyone, like, probably people do it, but actually record the journey, the drive. So that's why I wanted to do that.
Record out everything.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to do that, record the journey.
But you got good footage.
Yeah. Whew. Now look down there, sir. And then Troy was all frazzled. Couldn't get everything, but got most things.
The facial expression was like, they never be for you, like,
Huh?
the facial expression was funny.
Yeah, I was frazzled.
Like, you don't want to fight.
Like, this is how I know I'm afraid of heights, cause oh fudge!
What happened?
Forgot the carrier to put her in to strap her on to me.
First, I put that place of fun, you know.
And it was right there. The carrier was right in front of me.
You'd believe that there's an actual big ass park.
Through this?
Yeah, through all this thick stuff.
Wow.
Place kind of empty, store going.
Yeah, I guess it closed. Maybe that's why people actually check the weather, unlike us.
Unlike us, don't it?
But I did. It's
The fuck say him did and open, then we're good. Because
if him did lock, then you'd have been like, alright.
There's clear signal that we shouldn't be here.
Yeah. So
But
people
people
really
very
are gonna wear face pack on mountain? Like, are they serious?
Not messing.
Oh, Blue Brews Bistro is right there.
I feel like that little thing I want to have on now go work for me.
What are
They're cool.
you cool already?
Yeah.
You know, so that's why I'm gonna bring the hoodie for daddy if him did come up here, but he didn't, so.
Fuck, this side of that carrier, no.
Oh, beside this one?
Yeah.
You're literally parking at the edge of the cliff.
Yes, that's where I forgot the park.
Guys, we're literally parking at the edge of a cliff. What you guys are looking at is the park area of Holywell. It has a playground. It also has a few gazebo areas where you can come with a group and sit down and eat, have a little picnic, whatever it is that you'd like to do. And watch this actual clip is like a view of that entire area. Blue Brew Bistro is like right on top. So Blue Brew Bistro is on top, and then you look down and that park area is right there. So if you have kids, you can bring them there. And if you just want to hang out, you can just come there and hang out. I guess that's why they have cabins there, because you can come with a group, sleep in the cabins, and then if you have kids, come to the park, and then the restaurant is there. There's also several different trails that you can take, to do like a little hiking, I guess, climbing, walking, whatever it's called. There's different trails. So we went there and I wanted to experience the trails, but I also wanted to eat from Blue Brews Bistro. And I think Blue Brews Bistro probably it closed early. I think so. So I was like, okay, let us take a walk on the trail first. Then after I walk on the trail, come back up. By that time, we can go have food. By the time we come back up, no, we're tired. We don't do the walking and thing already. So we would have just used that time to, by the time we come back up from off of this hike, we just go order the food and sit down and wait for it. And then after that, we could leave. So that's how we planned it out. So the clip that you're going to see after this is us starting the hike or the walk with the kids. Yes, because you did say that, Pets. Follow the trail. I have.
Alright.
Careful with the running, AJ. This is a hillside. I know you have on sneakers, but I'm getting as much footage as I can because I don't know when I'll be back. Know them way there? Go on, man. This the right trail? Just follow the trail. This is literally something like a roller coaster. The last time I went on a roller coaster, I vowed not to go back on any. I don't think I'm gonna come back up here until the kids are older. I'm not doing this. This is a bit much. Oh my gosh. If you like hiking, yes, but this is me when I was driving. It was horrible. Well, it wasn't horrible, but you know, just the fact that you have to go through them curves there. And my driving fear. I'm coming. Okay, just right, this is the workout that I've been trying to get and I did not get for the longest. Mo one sunnier?
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's about to get serious. Okay.
Okay, let me just step down, Autumn. I'm gonna come down and get it. Yeah, you're right, pets. This type of event is a GoPro event.
Yep.
Because you kind of need your hands.
Where the what?
Where's the stand you had the phone on?
The sun?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna come back up here now.
See where you went.
We'll climb. We'll say. Them try have some hot down you say, you know. Okay, if I rain, drizzle. This is the view. Not pets trying to get me copyright. But okay. It's okay. Wow, pets. Wow.
I got you, man.
It's gonna end soon. I think coming up will be much faster.
Yeah, this is it.
What?
This is the shortest one, by the way. There's like,
Oh, there's longer ones.
there's more around, but this is the shortest one. So I figure more or less, you guys do the short one.
Yeah, I feel like I'll come up here another day, you know,
Okay with this one.
and do a long one. Go that way.
That's not a train. They would have put up stand thing. Follow instructions.
Or maybe you go further off a stand trail. Yes, you have to go back.
I want to go back. All right, so we are heading back up.
Make sure YouTube here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Are you hungry, Ash?
Yes, I'm hungry. This really calls for workout clothes. Gym sneakers, gym shorts, gym shirts. What time is it? Okay, so now it's time for us to hurry up and get in. So I made it to Holywell after dragging myself. After Pets dragged me up here, 'cause I never drive. It dragged me up here, and it was fun. The trail was fun, and now we're going to have dinner, right? Say hi, Tats. Yeah, the lighting is this way. Wow.
Just see us saying we go back over there seeing it.
Come on, sit up beside my friend. Alright, so guys, we made it to Holywell. It was amazing. The trail was good going down. Coming up, it was a bit of a rough ride. So the clip that you're going to see after this is the actual trail and us going down and coming back up. Going down was, you know, really far up and it was good and stuff, but coming back up was a workout. And you know, everybody's up here cold, but I think because it's summer, I think that's what it is. And I think because it's cold enough, but because it's summer, it's not as cold as how the other people that would go in like the winter time. Did feel the cold. So it's cool, it's decent, but I don't mind what I have on. But if you're somebody that gets cold easily, even though I do, you can wear like a thin long sleeve, you know, just in case. Bring it with you, just in case. So now we're gonna now we're trying out Blue Bistro, right? Yeah, Blue Bistro. Them are the reason why I come up here. I never know so up in a mountain it there. I know so drive the pen around, but I never know so up in a Blue Mountain for some reason. But it was worth it. Don't think I'll do the drive again anytime soon, but we got my driver. I correct myself. It's like 5 minutes later and the breeze are going with itself. Like, you know, I feel like a sleeve shirt will do. Sleeve. So here's the thing. Walking down the trail was okay. Coming back up made me sweat. So this will, you know, coming back up with this good, but my cardigan and it's doing the job-ish. So how's your food?
It's good.
He got the hamburger, the classic hamburger, and it was worth it, you know. I think it's like a bit of affordable meal. It's doing this thing, yeah. Eating a serving of fries because the food not ready yet. Moral support. There, man. Stop looking at me with a serious face.
Serious face.
This is actually good. I would take an extra. So our dinner is here, finally. When I feel so cold again, come here to eat. Raymond's. Take the first bite. Take the first bite. I'm going to taste the mashed potato. What's your first impression? Your second impression always better. This is it. I'll let you guys know. Let you guys know how good it is after when I'm done eating. And it looks like it's gonna taste good. Alright?